You've been driving your Ford for months, maybe even years, and you think you know everything about it. But what if I told you there's a hidden button that can save you from a dead battery? Or a secret way to roll down all your windows without even touching your key fob? What about a feature that lets you turn your truck bed into a giant ruler? Or a hidden compartment you never knew existed? Today, I'm going to reveal the hidden features in your Ford that the dealership probably never told you about. These aren't just cool party tricks. These are genuinely useful functions that can save you time, money, and frustration. Some of these features have been hiding in plain sight, and once you learn about them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Stick around because number 7 is going to blow your mind, and it's something every Ford owner needs to know right now. Feature number 1, the keyless entry secrets. Let's start with your key fob, because this little device in your pocket can do way more than you think. Most Ford owners know they can lock and unlock their doors, but there are hidden functions programmed into that fob that will change how you interact with your vehicle every single day. Here's one that will save you on hot summer days. If you press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds, all 4 of your windows will roll down simultaneously. That's right, you don't have to get into a scorching hot car and wait for the air conditioning to cool things down. Just walk up to your Ford, hold that unlock button, and let the heat escape before you even open the door. This works on most Ford models from the past decade, and it's an absolute game changer when your car has been baking in the sun all day. The reverse works too. Press and hold the lock button, and all your windows will roll up. This is perfect when you've parked somewhere and realized you left a window cracked, or when you see rain clouds rolling in and you're still inside the store. Now here's something that sounds too convenient to be true, but I promise you it works. On many newer Ford models with a power tailgate or liftgate, you can open it completely hands-free. If you have the key fob in your pocket or purse, simply kick your foot under the rear bumper in a gentle sweeping motion and the tailgate will automatically open. You don't have to fumble for your keys when your arms are full of groceries or equipment. The system uses sensors that detect the kicking motion, verifies that the key fob is nearby, and then triggers the release. To close it, just do the same kicking motion again. Some people feel silly doing this the first time, but once you've tried it, especially when you're carrying a heavy load, you'll use it every single time. But what about when your key fob battery dies? Most people panic and think they're stranded, but Ford has thought of this. Hidden inside your key fob is a physical metal key blade. Look for a small button or slide tab on the side of your fob, press it, and the key blade will slide out. This will physically unlock your driver's door. But here's where people get confused. When you unlock the door with the metal key and open it, your alarm might start blaring because the car doesn't sense the electronic key fob signal. Don't panic. Just get in the car, and on models with push-button start, hold the key fob right up against the start button and press it. The car will read the encrypted chip inside the fob through close proximity and start your engine, even with a dead battery. This emergency feature has saved countless Ford owners from being stranded. Feature number 2, the interior hidden gems. Once you're inside your Ford, there are features hidden throughout the cabin that most owners never discover. These aren't in obvious places, and they're not always explained in the owner's manual in a way that makes their usefulness clear. Let's talk about the secret storage compartments. Many Ford trucks, especially the F-150, have hidden storage under the rear seats. If you flip up the rear seat cushion, you'll find a surprisingly spacious compartment underneath. This is perfect for storing valuables out of sight, keeping tools secure, or hiding emergency supplies. Some Ford SUVs like the Explorer have hidden storage compartments under the cargo floor where you can stash items you don't want rolling around. These aren't just empty spaces. They're designed with drainage in mind, so you can even store wet or dirty items without damaging your interior. Here's one that will save you during those long road trips. Many Ford models have a hidden message center that most drivers never explore fully. Using the controls on your steering wheel, you can cycle through your trip computer to find incredibly useful information. You can see your average fuel economy, distance to empty, average speed, oil life remaining, tire pressure for each individual tire, and even a compass direction. But here's the hidden gem within this feature. You can set up multiple trip meters and track different drives separately. This is perfect if you want to track your commute fuel economy versus your highway trips, or if you need to log miles for work purposes. The system remembers this information even after you turn off the car. The climate control system in your Ford also has hidden capabilities. On models with automatic climate control, you can enable a feature called Max AC or Max Defrost with a single button press. But there's a deeper level of control most people never access. If you press and hold certain combinations of climate buttons during startup, you can enter a diagnostic mode that shows you the actual temperature readings from various sensors throughout the cabin. More practically, many Fords have a recirculation mode that automatically engages when you use Max AC to cool the car faster by recycling the already cooled interior air instead of constantly pulling in hot outside air. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Feature number 3. The tech features you're not using. Ford's Sync infotainment system is packed with features that go way beyond playing music and making phone calls. Most owners barely scratch the surface of what this technology can do, and some of these hidden functions are incredibly powerful. Voice commands are far more capable than most people realize. You don't just have to say basic commands like call mom or play music. You can actually control almost every function of your vehicle with your voice if you know the right phrases. You can say things like set temperature to 72 degrees, find the nearest gas station, navigate home, or even what's my tire pressure. The system can read your text messages out loud while you're driving, and even let you compose and send text messages using only your voice, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The key is learning to speak naturally to the system rather than using robotic command phrases. Here's a hidden feature in Ford's navigation system that can save you serious money. If your Ford has built-in navigation, there's usually an option buried in the settings to show you the cheapest gas stations along your route. The system can display fuel prices at nearby stations and even route you to the cheapest option. This information is crowdsourced and updated regularly, so it's often more current than dedicated gas price apps. During long road trips, this feature alone can save you $20 or $30 just by directing you to stations that are a few cents cheaper per gallon. Ford Pass Connect is another feature that's hiding in plain sight, yet many owners don't even have the app installed on their phones. If your Ford was built in the last several years, it likely has a built-in modem that connects to the cellular network. By downloading the Ford Pass app and connecting it to your vehicle, you unlock remote capabilities that seem like science fiction. You can start your engine from anywhere in the world, lock or unlock your doors, check your fuel level, see exactly where your car is parked, and even set up a perimeter alert that notifies you if your vehicle moves outside a designated area. Parents of teenage drivers find this feature invaluable. The app also tracks your vehicle health and will send you maintenance reminders based on actual vehicle data rather than generic time intervals. Feature number 4, the pickup truck superpowers. If you own a Ford truck, especially an F-150 or Super Duty, there are hidden features specifically designed for work and utility that will make you way more productive. These features turn your truck from just a vehicle into a legitimate mobile workspace and tool. Let's start with the truck bed itself, because it's not just an empty box. If you look closely at the sides of your truck bed, you'll notice measurement markings molded right into the bed rail. These aren't decorative. They're actually a built-in ruler system that lets you measure cargo length without needing a tape measure. On many Ford trucks, there are also molded divot marks on the bed floor spaced at specific intervals. These work with the available bed divider system, but even without buying the dividers, you can use these marks as reference points for securing cargo at optimal positions. The tailgate on modern Ford trucks is an engineering marvel that most owners completely underutilize. First off, there's the tailgate step. Many F-150 models have a step that folds out from the tailgate and a handle that extends from the top of the gate, making it significantly easier to climb into the bed. But here's what people miss. On trucks with the tailgate step, there are usually storage compartments built into the tailgate itself, accessible from the outside. These weatherproof compartments are perfect for storing tie-down straps, bungee cords, gloves, or other items you use frequently. Some newer models have a multifunction tailgate that can open in different configurations, including a split design where half opens independently for easier access when you're parked in tight spaces. Now, this next one is a feature that truly separates Ford trucks from the competition. Power Onboard turns your truck into a mobile generator. Depending on your truck's configuration, you can have anywhere from 2.0 kilowatts to a massive 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power through standard 120-volt outlets and even 240-volt outlets built right into the truck bed and cabin. This isn't just for charging your phone. We're talking about powering tools at a job site, running a camping refrigerator, operating power tools, or even keeping essential appliances running during a home power outage. The 7.2 kilowatt system can power an entire house if you have the right transfer switch installed. People have used this feature to run food trucks, power tailgate parties, and provide emergency backup power during natural disasters. Feature number 5, the safety features working behind the scenes. Your Ford has safety features constantly working to protect you that operate so seamlessly you might not even know they exist. Understanding these hidden guardians will give you greater confidence and help you use them more effectively. Post-collision braking is a feature that activates after your vehicle has been in a collision. Here's what happens. Your Ford detects the impact and then automatically applies the brakes to prevent your vehicle from continuing to roll and potentially causing a secondary collision. In the chaos and shock immediately following an accident, drivers often can't react quickly enough to stop their vehicle, leading to additional impacts with other vehicles or objects. This hidden system takes over and brings your vehicle to a controlled stop, potentially preventing further injury or damage. Curve control is another invisible safety feature that monitors your speed as you enter curves. If the system determines you're going too fast for the curve based on your steering angle and vehicle dynamics, it will automatically reduce engine power and apply light braking to individual wheels to help you maintain control. Most drivers never notice this feature working because it intervenes so smoothly, but it has prevented countless loss of control incidents on winding roads. Here's one that surprises most people. Many Ford vehicles have a built-in roll stability control system that's distinct from the regular stability control. This system specifically monitors for potential rollover situations, which are more common in SUVs and trucks with higher centers of gravity. If the system detects that one side of the vehicle is lifting, or that the vehicle dynamics indicate a potential rollover, it will aggressively reduce engine power and apply braking to individual wheels to literally pull the vehicle back down and prevent it from tipping over. Feature number 6, the customization options you didn't know existed. Your Ford is far more customizable than you probably realize. Buried deep in the settings menus are options that let you tailor the vehicle's behavior to match your preferences perfectly. Through your vehicle settings, usually accessed through the infotainment screen or instrument cluster menus, you can customize how your Ford responds in dozens of different scenarios. You can change how long your headlights stay on after you exit the vehicle, adjust how many times your turn signals flash with a light touch of the stalk, modify the sensitivity of your rain-sensing wipers, change the volume of your warning chimes, and even adjust how aggressively your automatic high beams switch between high and low. My Key is an incredible feature for parents or fleet managers that lets you program restrictions into a specific key. When that key is used to start the vehicle, the restrictions automatically activate. You can limit the top speed, cap the audio system volume, prevent the driver from disabling safety features, set a low fuel warning to chime earlier, and even program the audio system to mute completely if seatbelts aren't fastened. This gives parents peace of mind when their teenagers are driving, and it gives fleet managers control over how company vehicles are operated. The ambient lighting system in many Ford vehicles isn't just about choosing a color to match your mood. If you dig into the settings, you'll find that you can adjust the brightness level independently, choose different colors for different times of day, and even have the lighting change based on the selected drive mode. Some models let you customize which specific areas of the cabin are illuminated and which remain dark. This level of customization means you can create the perfect lighting environment, whether you're focused on driving performance or creating a relaxing atmosphere. Feature number 7, the maintenance shortcuts that save time and money. Here's the section I promised would blow your mind, and it's all about features that can save you real money and help you maintain your Ford more effectively without constant trips to the dealer. Your Ford can tell you exactly what maintenance it needs and when through the intelligent oil life monitoring system and message center. But here's what most people don't know. You can access a detailed maintenance history and schedule directly through your vehicle's display screen. Navigate to the settings menu, find vehicle information or maintenance, and you'll see when your last service was performed and what's coming due. Even better, if you have the Ford Pass app, this information syncs to your phone and can send you notifications when service is approaching. You can even schedule service appointments directly through the app at your preferred dealer. There's a hidden battery saver mode in your Ford that activates automatically, but you can also manually trigger it. If you've ever left your interior lights on or had an accessory plugged into a power outlet, your Ford monitors the battery voltage. When it detects the battery is getting low, it will automatically start shutting off non-essential electrical systems to preserve enough charge to start your engine. You'll see a message on your display saying battery saver mode is active. This has saved countless people from being stranded with a dead battery after accidentally leaving something on. Here's a feature that sounds mundane, but is actually brilliant. Many Ford models have an easy entry and exit function for the driver's seat. When activated in the settings, your seat will automatically slide backward when you turn off the engine and open the door, giving you more room to exit the vehicle. When you return and start the engine, the seat glides back to your saved position. This is especially useful for larger drivers or anyone with mobility concerns. The system can remember multiple positions and associate them with different key fobs, so each driver gets their perfect seating position automatically. The tire pressure monitoring system does more than just warn you when a tire is low. In many Ford models, you can actually see the exact pressure reading for each individual tire through your display screen. This lets you check if your tires are properly inflated without getting out of gauge. Even better, some models have a tire fill assist feature. When you're adding air to a tire, you can activate this mode through the screen, and your horn will chirp once when you've reached the correct pressure, and then chirp 3 times when you've overfilled. This means you can inflate your tires perfectly without constantly checking the gauge. Feature number 8, the hidden convenience features. Let's wrap up with some convenience features that aren't necessarily life-changing, but will definitely make your daily driving experience more enjoyable and less frustrating. Auto start-stop technology, which shuts off your engine at red lights to save fuel, is a feature many people either love or hate. But here's what most people don't know. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it. While there's usually a button to disable it each time you start your car, some Ford models can be programmed through the settings to remember your preference and keep auto start-stop disabled permanently. You can also learn to override the system temporarily without pressing the button. If you don't press your brake pedal all the way to the floor at a stop, the engine won't shut off. A light brake pressure keeps the engine running while still engaging your brake lights. The remote start function has hidden capabilities beyond just warming up your engine. When you remote start your Ford, it doesn't just start the engine. The system automatically activates the climate control to heat or cool the cabin based on the outside temperature. If it's cold outside, it will start heating. If it's hot, it will start cooling. The heated seats and steering wheel will also activate automatically if it's cold enough. But here's the trick nobody tells you. The default runtime for remote start is typically 10 or 15 minutes, but you can extend this by simply pressing the remote start button again before the time expires. Each press adds another cycle of runtime. Auto-folding mirrors are standard on many Ford models, but you can customize when they fold. Through the vehicle settings, you can choose to have your mirrors fold automatically when you lock the car, when you turn off the ignition, or not at all. Some owners prefer to have them fold only when parked in tight spaces to prevent damage, while others like the sleek look of folded mirrors all the time. You can also usually adjust the tilt-down angle of the passenger mirror when in reverse, which helps you see the curb when parallel parking. The bottom line, there you have it. Hidden features in your Ford that you'll actually use and that genuinely make your ownership experience better. From key fob tricks that cool down your car before you get in, to truck bed features that turn your F-150 into a mobile workshop, to safety systems working silently in the background keeping you safe. Your Ford is so much more capable than you realized, and these features have been there all along just waiting for you to discover them. The truth is, modern vehicles are incredibly sophisticated, and manufacturers pack in features that most owners never find. That's why I make these videos, to help you get the absolute most out of your investment. Take some time this weekend to explore your Ford's settings menus, try out some of these features, and see what else you can discover. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more hidden feature videos, and drop a comment telling me which feature you tried first and what you discovered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.